the roads this morning, and you can see as we take a look at the map that we do have very slow traffic on our interstate. Secondary roads, obviously, are going to be much slower than that. I wanted to start with power outages that we've been telling you all morning. We've got about 2,000 power outages out near Mulberry on the east side of Cincinnati. That's the only pocket where I'm seeing a major power outage at this point, so we'll keep an eye on that for you. As far as crashes are concerned, we've also been telling you about this crash, 7175 northbound down near Kyle's Lane. It's just